Hello, students. Let us carry on our drama class, which is already on the climax. In the previous meet, we have seen Prospero characterizing Caliban and telling about his history to Alonso Gonzalo. The lords are also surprised to see Stefano and Trinculo severely intoxicated. And now we proceed from 318th line. Alonso says, and Trinculo is reeling ripe. Where should they find this grand liquor that hath gilded them, and how camest thou in this pickle? So Alonso is saying, asking the Trinculo that Trinculo is, he's saying that Trinculo is reeling ripe, he is intoxicated to stagger. He's staggering due to the influence of wine. So he's saying, where should they find this grand liquor? Where did they get this grand liquor that hath gilded them, that had reddened their faces? Then he asks Trinculo, how camest thou in this pickle? That how did you come across this predicament or in this messy state? Trinculo says, I have been in such a pickle since I saw you. Last, that I fear me will never out of my bones. I shall not fear fly blowing. So Trinculo says that I have been in this predicament since I saw you last time. I fear me will never out of my bones. I fear that this ache, this pain due to drenching will never come out of my bones. I shall not fear fly blowing as being mudded. I shall not fear from flies defiling me. Then Sebastian asks Stefano that why, how now, Stefano? How are you, Stefano? Then Stefano says, oh, touch me not. I am not a Stefano, but a cramp. So he says, please don't touch me. I am not your Stefano, but a mass of pain. Then Prospero, he says, you would be the king of the island, Sirrah. So he says that you are going to be the king of this island, servant. And Stefano says, I should have been a sore one then. I have an experience that I will have pain and be a grievous king. Then Alonso says, this is a strange thing as ever looked on. So Alonso now sees Caliban, and pointing to Caliban, he asks Prospero that this fellow is a strange thing ever I have seen. Then Prospero says, he is as disproportioned in his manners as in his shape. Go, Sirrah, to my cell. Take with you your companions. As you look to have my pardon, trim it handsomely. So Prospero says that he is as disproportioned, means he is as ugly in his manners, in his behaviors, as his shape is. Now he orders Caliban that go, Sirrah, go, servant, to my cell, and take with you your companions. Take your friends also, means Stefano and Trinculo. And as you look to have my pardon, if you expect my pardon, then trim it handsomely, make my cell neat. Then Caliban, he says, that I will. And I will be wise hereafter and seek for grace. What a thrice double ass was I to take this drunkard for a god and worship this dull fool. So he says that he thinks that at least Prospero has ordered him to do some work. So he says, that I shall. I will do it gladly. And I will be wise hereafter and seek for grace. I will try to make good myself and behave sensible in future. Then he says, what a confounded fool I was. to treat this drunkard as a god. And I was worshipping this dull fool. Then Prospero says, "Go to away. Please go away quickly." Then Alonso, "Hence and bestow your luggage where you found it." Alonso says, "Before going, you please replace." Bestow means replace or dispose of your funny clothes. Where did you get this clothes? Then Sebastian, or stole it rather, or maybe these clothes are stolen. So after this, Exeunt, Caliban, Stephano, and Trinculo, they go away. So today till here. Thank you.